The weirdest science facts you won't believe. Get ready to have your mind blown because today we're diving into the most bizarre and fascinating corners of the universe. From the food we eat to the planets in our solar system, get ready to uncover some seriously strange scientific truths. Comment below that like button if you think you know. But be warned, some of these facts are so wild, they might just make your head spin. Alright, science fans, let's talk bananas. You know them, you love them. But did you know they're technically berries? I know, right? Mind blown. You see, most of us think of berries as small, juicy fruits like blueberries or raspberries. But scientifically speaking, a berry is a fruit that develops from a single flower with one ovary and contains multiple seeds. Think about it. Bananas fit the bill. They grow in clusters from a single flower. And if you slice a banana open, you'll see tiny little seeds inside. Now you might be thinking, but Bill, what about strawberries? They have seeds on the outside. Well, those aren't actually seeds, they're called achenes. Each achene is a separate fruit containing a single seed. Next stop on our science adventure, Venus, our planetary neighbor. Venus is a pretty weird place, and here's why. A day on Venus is actually longer than its year. How is that even possible? Well, it all comes down to how fast Venus spins on its axis compared to how long it takes to orbit the Sun. You see, Venus rotates incredibly slowly, taking a whopping 243 Earth days to make one full rotation. But here's the kicker. It only takes Venus 225 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. That's right. A Venusian year is shorter than a Venusian day. Talk about a long day at the office. Let's talk about something sweet, honey. This golden nectar is delicious, versatile, and guess what? It never spoils. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are thousands of years old. And guess what? It's still edible. How can this be? Well, honey has a few secret weapons. First off, it's incredibly low in moisture, which means bacteria and other microorganisms have a hard time surviving in it. It's also pretty acidic, which further inhibits the growth of anything that might want to spoil it. Plus, honey contains natural enzymes that produce hydrogen peroxide, a powerful antibacterial agent. So the next time you reach for that jar of honey, remember, you're enjoying a treat that truly stands the test of time. Get ready for this one because it's a real shocker. Humans share about 60% of their DNA with bananas. I know, it sounds bananas, but it's true. Now before you start picturing your great-great-great-grandpa as a giant banana, let me explain. We share a lot of our basic cellular machinery with all living things, including plants like bananas. We both need genes for things like cell growth, energy production, and DNA replication. These fundamental processes are essential for all life on Earth, and that's why we see so much overlap in our genetic code, even with something as seemingly different as a banana. Prepare for a cosmic showdown. Trees on Earth versus stars in the Milky Way. Which one do you think wins in a battle of sheer numbers? It might sound hard to believe, but scientists estimate that there are over 3 trillion trees on Earth. That's 3 with 12 zeros after it. That's a lot of trees. Now let's talk about stars. The Milky Way galaxy is estimated to have somewhere between 100 and 400 billion stars. That's a mind-boggling number, but it pales in comparison to the sheer volume of trees on our planet. So there you have it. In the epic battle of trees versus stars, trees emerge victorious. Well, there you have it, science fans. 5 mind-blowing science facts that prove the universe is a truly strange and wonderful place. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this wild ride through the wonders of science, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome science adventures. Until next time, stay curious. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more content.